Hey, what's going on? It's Mr. D and welcome to my Scrap It review. I am here inside the members area and during this video I'm going to give you its demo and what it does. So Scrap It is all about a cloud based software and it's give you a free websites to make and you can publish it on the Google and other medias. So it's also have free traffic built inside. You don't have to do anything, just it's have three steps. First login, then you make your website and hit publish. After that it will already made free traffic built and it also gives you free websites that going to give detail in this video. And also I put together my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is down below of this video. When you click on this link it will bring you to my custom page, custom bonus page that's look like that. And the product Scrap It will launch on 16th of June 10 a.m. is EST, which is Eastern Time, New York. You can see there I have a lot of custom bonuses. I have starting at some details, now a demo video, then there are my all of my custom bonuses. So when it's live on 16th of June 10th a.m. EST, then you can click on any of these button and it will bring you to the sales page where you can buy this products. The sales page looks like something that it's not the real sales page. The sales page is under working. So grab my all custom bonuses before the countdowns stop and all of my bonuses will expire, which I don't want because I put a long time to find these bonuses together, so you can get this possible. All those bonuses are exclusive to me, all are created by myself. They are not available for anybody through else link apart from mine. So feel free to go and shop around and see what other people are offering in terms of bonuses for Scrap It, because I guarantee you that you are not going to find better useful bonuses from my link, which is down below of this video in the description of this video. So let's talk about my bonuses. So bonus number 1 is my 7-figure mastery course, which goes live in the next month. This will tell you how you can make 7 figures. And my next bonuses are two software, the Lost Code and the Awakening. Both are these traffic apps. This will help you to get more and more traffic and increase your sales. These are very exclusive. The next bonus is two more softwares, the Fugo Breakout and the Fugo Multiplier. Both worth is $9.97. These both are also traffic apps. These are help you to show how you can get up to millions and billions of traffic, and it will also help you to get more. Next bonus is Lindgren Lazy Method. It's a brand new software which is also show you about traffic trainings. My next is that bonus number 5 is that I am giving to you a suite of 16 software which include funnel builders softwares, autoresponders, affiliates programs, video hosting platforms, and more. Bonus number next is a premium hosting. I am giving you to a premium hosting with a domain and also premium themes, plugins, and training also included. My next bonus is $5 bonus. As you buy from my link, which is down below of this video, you get $5 instant, and you can send also your email to my list up to daily 1000 emails per day to my list, which is very good. Next bonus is $10 giveaway. I am giving $10 to each and everyone from my link, but these are also for first 100 people who are action takers. So grab this product from my link, which is down below of this video, and get your $5 bonus, then $10 bonus. After that I am holding a $500 contest, so all details are in the members area. My next bonus is my email marketing hack, which will tell you about email marketing and Next bonus is 40 free bonuses. Next, banking with bonuses. Next, all vendor bonuses that he provide me, I am giving to you. Next, for premium support from me, yes, I give you all my support. Next, I give you my case study from which I got 2.9 million visitors to my website. Guaranteed approval to all of my product, and there are some of extra bonuses also, like $300 CPA every day, $500 CPA every day, CPA coffee shop, and much more. And these are not all PLR products. Everyone is created by myself and my friends. So when you buy from my link down below, you can get something like this Warrior Plus, and you can access from this. So buy from my link which is down below of this video and come to my bonus page, check it all these. And if you are come from my email list, then you are also on this. I have also prepared a good demo video for you, you can see there. Now after that you buy from my first 10 product, you get all these bonuses for free from me. So let's see the members area. Before that, take a look at the sales page. The world first cutting edge click and review marketing software, point and grab, is Clapper, and publish free reviews that will work for 24/7, making commission on autopilot, include hosting, list building system, and much more. So check it this whole page and in your time, because there is lot of things and stuffs I am not going to tell you. So let's see into the members area. This video I am not going to walk through the all members area and inside the software, so I recommend you to watch the demo video which is on the bonus page of mine. So watch it from there. It's a complete tutorial of this members area and scrap it review, etc. Now I am tell you the price and upsells. And price is something about, yes, $17, which you get the Scrapit software with all of my custom bonuses. Second bonus is Scrapit traffic, $27. Third is Scrapit club, $27. Scrapit store, $37. Next, Scrapit contest content, $67. Fifth is Scrapit agency, $197. Here are some of the key features you may interested in getting. Access to unlimited buyer traffic at your fingertips. Get real buyers with cash in hands ready to buy. Get all sales you ever need with no effort. No monthly fee, pay once and use Scrapit forever. It is a very good thing. Zero hosting, tech skills, experience or maintenance required. Total newbies are getting traffic and sales overnight. And it also have 30 days money back guarantee. So don't forget to check out my bonuses on this page, and then it's all about. So thank you for watching my Scrapit review, and I'll see you